now.
Good.
Uh-huh.
Over. Come on, quicker.
I don't have to do this very quick, thank you.
Yes, you do. Keep going. quick.
Whoa, buddy.
Don't
Hurry.
go too fast.
Yeah, you need to keep your mouth shut.
Hurry, quick.
I don't like pressure. Stop. I know exactly what's going to happen.
And what would that be?
Yeah, rather not say.
You'll get to the red spot.
That's not exactly what will happen. Whoa, buddy. No wonder people have trouble with this level.
Yep. Careful.
I don't like games like this. No! I got it!
Wait, is the volume up?
Yes!
Okay.
You messed up on the first one.
No, it's just, it goes straight into the second level, and I accidentally still pushed my remote when I was...
Excuses, excuses.
My hand's sweaty. And shaking.
Don't shake. You're gonna good.
Earlier, see, this is not helping from earlier.
Stop talking.
I can't help it. I'm nervous.
Focus.
I don't have to focus. I don't even want to play this. Stop making me laugh.